On any of your Robo 3D printers, you can do multicolor 3D printing by layer by manually pausing the print partway through and reloading a new choice of filament. Now, if you are printing using RoboPrint, you can actually have the software do the pausing for you. That way it stops at exactly the right layer every time. To do that, first open up the file you would like to have printed in multiple colors. Then click Start Slicing. In basic mode, you don't have any options for that, but if you go into Expert mode and down into Others, you'll see an option for Pause at Layers. For now, click on the plus sign to add one pause. And you can just pick a random number for now because you can't tell what layer is what until you have finished slicing. So select a random layer and click Slice. After it finishes processing the model, you can use this scroll bar along the bottom to see how many total layers you have, as well as where you may want color changes. I like to leave one layer of leeway just to make sure it has fully changed onto that layer before choosing which layer I'd like to do. So for this one, I want the numbers to show up in a different color. So I will choose layer 22 to just give me that one buffer layer. Now, if you're also looking to do multiple color shifts in one print, you can keep track of multiple layers that you would want to change color at. So I also would like to start another color change at layer 32. All right, so I need to go change my values to 22 and 32 for this particular print. So I go back to Start Slicing at the top, and now I click on the one I've already created and just delete it because that's not the layer I want. Instead, I add a new Pause At layer, and I can add as many of these as I would like. Now when I slice this file, it will automatically build a pause into my print so that the printer will stop at layers 22 and 32. When I see it paused, I can then go about changing filament, loading in the next color, and resuming the print right on the screen of the printer itself. Thanks for watching.